If you're an Android user, you've probably spotted those persistent notifications. Ever wondered why they're there? Let's break down what's really happening behind the scenes. On Android, certain apps need to keep working, even when you're not using them directly. That's where foreground services come in. They let apps keep running important tasks, but with your knowledge and control. Let's look at two of the most common types. First, foreground service data sync. Think of apps that sync files to the cloud, back up your photos, keep your information updated across devices. They need to stay active in the foreground so your data is always fresh and consistent, no matter what else you're doing. Next up, foreground service remote messaging. This is what lets messaging apps send and receive chats, notifications, alerts instantly, even if you closed the app a while ago. Without this service, you'd miss out on urgent messages, or your notifications might come in late. Now, you might notice a little icon or message at the top of your screen when a foreground service is running. That's intentional. Android requires a persistent notification, so you always know when an app is working in the background. It's about transparency and giving you power to control what's using your battery. So next time you see one of those notifications, don't panic. It's just your apps working smarter and keeping you in the loop. Pretty cool, right?